Today, we're making Harley Quinn's mallet. Huh. This should work. Hey guys, I'm Cory, this Make Shape Crate, and today we're making a mallet. Not just any mallet, Harley Quinn's mallet. Yes, we could do this out of foam. I want something that's kind of similar to the real thing, or as close as we can get it. Might not work properly, but that's okay. Maybe we'll make the foam one down the road. Not sure. But right now we gotta take that log we found, saw it down. Okay, so we kind of hit a snag. I got tired of this, trying to level it out, and it kept spinning out of my hand, so we're not going to do that. What we are going to do, we're going to take these leftover pieces of the tabletop from last week, we're going to glue them all together. This will make it a little more level, it'll make it a little easier to work with. It might not look as nice, but we're going to paint most of it anyway. So, yeah. Okay, it's all glued up. Just gotta let it sit for a while. Make sure these are nice and tight, and we will be back. Well, to you guys, we'll be right back. To me, I'm gonna go get dinner and stuff, which is good. I think I need beer and steaks. All right, block's all glued up. Let it sit overnight. Start cutting this on the bandsaw. I just figured out that this bandsaw does this, and I've yet to try it out, so. All right, we got this down to a rough shape. It's not symmetrical, that's okay. We got a lot of sanding we gotta do anyway, so I'm not real worried about it. We're going to clamp this down, start getting sanded. All right, so now that we got the head done, we need to drill a hole for the handle. Now, this is just a replacement broom handle, but I'm going to use my calipers, figure out how big this is. 0.88. Forstner bits. I have this one that is 0.86, which is a little smaller. I probably could make that work. Or I have this one, it's 0.97, which will be bigger. I think what I'm going to do is, the one side's tapered. I think I'm going to use the smaller one and start hammering it in from the tapered side. And I think that'll wedge it in there nicely. And once we add the glue and all, that should be okay. pretty substantial hole. It's not all the way through because the thing's not long enough, but I think that'll work. And it's gonna be nice and tight. So, only thing is this has some finish on it, so we need to sand this off. So that way we get a good wood to wood lube on. Good and tight. Oh, that's nice. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, but that's, I mean, it's got weight, don't get me wrong, but I totally thought that was going to be heavier. Oh, this is looking so cool. Alright, so we're going to let that glue dry up a little bit. So that's how we did it. Super happy with how this turned out. The wood could be a little darker, but that's okay. I kind of like that you can see it. I like the handle. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold, but for my first time ever doing leather wrapping, I think I did all right. I know this isn't right, but it works. Wanted to have that homemade look. If you guys want to see more projects like this, we're gonna have a playlist right here that you can check out, and YouTube's gonna suggest something for you down there. Hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next video. See ya.